Recently, I was searching for new trends and I came upon a bunch of these Reddit threads where people were talking about how difficult it is to get visibility in 2026. And when I say visibility, I mean visibility online, SEO. People are really frustrated right now because AI is only citing 3 or 4 sources in Google AI previews, and organic results are getting pushed way down in Google search. So basically, ranking for keywords and general SEO is way harder than it was just a few years ago. So the team got together with all of our trend data and decided to create one major solution if you are stuck in this rut. I mean, don't forget Exploding Topics was co-founded by the king of SEO, Mr. Brian Dean. Thing is, the same strategies that used to work are not working now, so the playbook has to get rewritten. So, my marketing friends, come along with me. I'm going to show you how to get more eyeballs on your content in 2026. So if your strategy right now is canvassing social media, looking for new trends, running around doing keyword research in one place and content planning in another place, you're kind of making a mess. So let's simplify everything and tailor it to what's actually working in 2026. So here's a brief overview of what we're going to do to solve this problem for you right now. We're going to use Exploding Topics to find a trend on the rise, and don't worry, Exploding Topics does have a free tool. Then you're going to use Claude connected to Semrush to create a full keyword plan around it, just in one single conversation. If I was in your shoes, I'd probably be asking, why Exploding Topics? Why not any other keyword research tool? Answering just this question is already going to give you a massive lead on your competitors. The thing is, a topic or a trend might start to rise in popularity, but it's not going to show up on those keyword lists just yet. Plus, the keywords that you find on those lists are also going to be super competitive. However, if you start with a trend, you've got more time and space to start building your content, growing your authority around that trend. And by the time your competitors notice that trend, you've already got a bank of content and you're starting to rank for these keywords. And guess who loves an early adopter? LLMs. So basically, if you start with a topic rather than just a couple of keywords, you're more likely to get recognized and then recommended by GPT, Google AI, Claude, any of these LLMs. And if you can go a step further and understand how all this works on a deeper level, you're going to be able to consistently spot trends before your competitors and outrank them at the same time. So let's dig in a little bit more, because Exploding Topics is a lot more than just my pretty face. It monitors data across search engines, social media, and consumer behavior to find trends that are gaining popularity months and months before it actually peaks. You can look through industry categories and you can find all these different subcategories. You can identify high growth trends in pretty much any industry and see how many people are searching for them monthly or how much that number is growing. So with that information, let's look into how to accomplish our goal of actually building a content plan. I'm going to break this down into 4 steps. Step 1, obviously, is finding a trend to build around. You can pick a category relevant to your industry first. Let's say I'm looking into beauty products. If you're looking for non-brands, we've got a filter for that too. Now you can go through, you can pick a trend. We'll do this one. You can see things like the monthly revenue that this product is making, how many people are actually searching for it every month, and even a percentage of how much that number of people is actually growing over time. If you scroll down a bit more, you can see all the social channels where this is trending. You can even see the top sellers, related products. You can see their growth, so you can find even more trending products. So let's say that you found a trend that you're happy with that you want to cover on your website. Personal recommendation here, look for products that have been trending for a long time, and maybe they're just now seeing a big spike, rather than something that just came out of nowhere and went 0 to 100. Those are much more likely to fizzle out. Trust me, you will waste time chasing these short-lived trends. When you do find a trend that you like, see where it's trending the most. You're also going to want to take a close look at related trends. This is going to help you plan your content cluster. So next, you're going to connect Claude and Semrush via MCP. If you don't know how to do this, I'm going to write out a really simple 3-step process to do it in the description below. So when you're all done, Claude is going to have access to live Semrush traffic, keyword, and competitive data during your conversations. It's pretty cool. To be totally transparent with you though, this is going to require you to have a Semrush API subscription. Just make sure to keep that in mind. Now, once you've got Claude set up, here's a prompt that you can try. I'm building a content plan around the topic, name your topic, for a, and then give a descriptive word, audience. Use Semrush to pull keyword opportunities. I want to see search volume, keyword difficulty, and intent clusters. Focus on where there's growing demand, but competition is still manageable, and flag any quick wins. Claude's then going to pull live data from Semrush and return an organized analysis rather than just a list. So here's what that looks like for the topic of AI content in the marketing audience. Let's real quick read through the response that Claude gave us. The tools and software cluster is the anchor. 14,800 combined monthly searches, all commercial intent, solid CPCs. This is your highest priority cluster for content that can rank and convert. A comparison/roundup piece targeting best AI tools for business is probably your fastest path to organic traffic. KD37 is very winnable for a well-optimized piece. Solid. Already it gave us our highest priority and some content ideas to work from. Now check out what else it gave us. 2-question format and quick wins worth grabbing immediately. Why AI-powered content creation is a game changer for marketers, and how AI agents transform content marketing. Both have barely any competition. The volume is modest, but these are exactly the types of long, specific queries that surface in AI overviews and ChatGPT answers. Strong plays for LLM/GEO visibility beyond traditional SERP ranking. It's looking at the competition and finding easy opportunities for me without lifting a finger. Then it goes on to tell me exactly what it would prioritize first, second, third, and fourth. Now sure, without this, you could use any chatbot, any LLM to identify keyword opportunities, but those are going to suggest you ideas without any live data or search volume to go off of. This is going to give you reliable data, saving you dozens of hours of research. Now, in our written article, we go through a whole lot more info on how to create your whole content plan using this strategy, but I just wanted to pause my work, jump on here really quick and share this in case anybody out there is looking for a reliable shortcut to build out their content strategy for 2026. I'm going to link the full article below in the description. And if you want to make sure your website is optimized so that LLMs can actually find you and recommend you, there's another video I've dropped in the description too that's going to help you do that right away. Before I leave you, make sure to hit subscribe so you're not going to miss any of these SEO and AI trends that I've got coming your way this year. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.